Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode, record an empty background for a few seconds, then you walk in. What you just need here, guys, is to just jump down. That is just your assignment here. Your assignment here is just to come, then you jump down, then you pull this your shoe. Pull this your shoe and position it at that point where you jump down, all right? Pull your shoe gradually, position it there. Then after that, you just walk out now, go and pull that your clothes and clip it together and return back. All this while you are not seeing me here, that is what I am doing. I am pulling my clothes. I want to clip it together. After clipping your clothes together, then you return back to the scene. Return back to the scene. Your assignment here is just to throw this cloth down. Make sure you throw it on top of that your shoe. Make sure it's at the position of that your shoe. Just throw it down, all right? Look at what I did. Then after that, just walk out, all right? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Hey guys, welcome to your gallery. Click on CapCut. Click on new project now. Import your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there. You want to click it. Let's silence the volume. Shift a bit, click it now and make a split. We need that empty background. Then you continue and locate where you want your video to start from. From here, you want to click it and make another split. Delete this middle part. We don't need it again. So before your leg touch the ground, you want to click here and make another split, all right? Then you move and go and locate where you threw your clothes, all right? Go and locate that part where you threw your clothes, this point. Immediately you release the clothes before you go out from this scene. Look at from this point, you click it and make a split here. Delete this middle part, guys. Then you come back now, all right? If you love this video and you like what we are doing, guys, go and smash your like button, okay? Tell us your take. What is your opinion about this video? If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, all right? You are welcome back to this tutorial. So at this point, look at this empty background here, swap it. Look at what I do, swap it in between. After swapping it, you click on this one and go and look for overlay. Locate overlay, click on overlay now. Click it and drag it to align with the empty background. Then after that, you click it and locate mask. Go and look for mask, guys. Go and look for mask now. Let me show you what we are going to be doing here. Locate mask, all right? Click on your mask now. Click on horizontal. Turn this your line the other way around. Turn it. After turning it, adjust it so that that character will not be visible again. After that, you play with this your feather icon, play with it a little bit, then so that the background will blend. After that, you mark on the good and go back. Look at the result of the video now. Good. Play it again. Good. At this point, this video is ready. Click here and make a split. Remove this last part. Click this one and trim it to be equal with this. So at this point, this video is ready as we play it now to see what we have got. But then what is remaining here now is for you to remember to add your sound and every other effect you felt you will add, all right? If you don't know how to add them, DM me, then I will put you through how to add them. Then after that, you click on export now, then you allow your video to export. Now, this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, okay? Guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic trick you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. If you love this video and you love what we are doing, go and smash your like button, okay? Locate your notification bell, locate it and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.